Hello all and welcome to Pirate Coders. This is your captain. Today we are just continuing the video for enabling the Linux subsystem into the Windows 10 and how we can achieve that. So first of all, let me just tell you, why would you want to do that? Yeah, that's a good question, right? Well, Linux is a powerful and versatile operating system, as you know, that offers many benefits for developers, such as access to open source tools, utilities, and libraries. Windows, on the other hand, is the most powerful and popular and widely used operating systems in the world, with a family and user-friendly interface and support for many applications and games, of course. Yeah. So okay, without wasting the time, I'm just diving into the ocean of this Windows and Ubuntu subsystems. So as you can see, contents for today, that is first step, we just gonna check in our Windows version, like in our Windows machine, if what is the version, which should be 10 at least. Then we should be gonna do enable Linux subsystem in our Windows. Then later we will be gonna install and update Ubuntu in our system. So first of all, we need to go to the settings. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं सेटिंग्स अपन ने ओपन कर ली है. देन सेटिंग में सबसे पहला ऑप्शन है सिस्टम, उसमें हम जाएंगे एंड अबाउट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंटेंट covers here. We just need to check if we have a Windows 10 or not. So we have Windows 10, that's perfectly fine. And again later, what we need to do is we need to turn on, as for the step 2, we can see here we have to enable Linux subsystems, right? Turn on Windows feature, perfect, and उस ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हैं कि जैसा कि ये विंडो हमारे पास ओपन होके आ जाएगी एंड यहाँ पे हमें सर्च करना है विंडोज सबसिस्टम फॉर लिनक्स, which is checked for me, but you can check it if it is not for your system. Then okay, so here as we can see, our second step is also completed, and now we are moving to our third step, which is the restart. So what we have seen here, in the second step we have to restart our system after checking this. So once the system will gonna ask you for the restart, so just restart and come back to the particular video. Okay, let's move further. Hope you guys all are installed that. So later, after restarting, we need to go to the Microsoft Store for our Ubuntu. Here we need to type Ubuntu. Now I just want to install the updated version, latest version, so I've just clicked on 22. Now I have to click on install, and this will be the window you can get. And it will gonna take a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back after a long time. So for me, of course, not for you. So here first we have to put our username, so Pirate Coder, and then it will ask for the password, so I am putting my secret password, and yeah, voila, now we are ready with our system setup, basically Ubuntu setup on our Windows. So I'm just going a brief description about the things what we have to follow after this step. So till now we have provided our password, we have given a username to create a user. Then what we need to do here is this step, we have to start with all dist installation and updates. So let's type this command. Hopefully this is all visible, but if it is not, let me just put it in the full screen mode, and yeah, that's it. So we can follow these commands, like here we have to write sudo, which is basically administrative for Linux user. So this is the command. You can find this command also in my description. And I have just hit enter, and then we have to put our password. So for new users, for the Linux, password will not be the visible in terminal whether you have typed also. Now I've clicked enter again. This will again gonna take some time. After that we have to follow upgrade command for all the disks. So it will gonna take some time. Yeah, it is done. Sudo apt-get upgrade. So this will gonna upgrade all the things. So okay, so here we have to give y, like we have to press y, then we have to hit enter. So this is just a confirmation from terminal for us to install all the packages and distributions in order to require to run the Ubuntu on Windows. Now after that what we have to do is we need to upgrade our disks. So for that we have to write command sudo apt-get disk upgrade, and that is also done. Perfect. And whether apart from that, if you get confirmation for the continuation, you just need to press y here. And I think apart from these things you are all set for using the Ubuntu system. And this is it. Now I'm gonna show you. You will gonna get Ubuntu here. So this is the directory for your Ubuntu, and from here as well you can see, from the terminal also you can see the directory. And let's say right now we are at home, and this is the root directory you have. So I'll just give you a quick brief. So basically our content is this. Now what we have to follow is this commands and this commands. So I think we all are good here. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again I'm your captain. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for the coding and tech videos. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.